What's up, sneaker fans? Thanks for tuning into another unboxing and review. Today, I got another custom Nike sneaker. This time an ID of the 1973 classic Blazer Mid. At that time, it was marketed as a shoe for basketball, and naturally, the shoe was named after a basketball team, the Portland Trail Blazers. It has since been rebranded as a casual lifestyle shoe, as well as Nike SB versions featuring heel zoom air built into the insole for skateboarding. Here today, I have the Nike Blazer Mid in its original 70s form, and this shoe to me just screams retro. I love the simplicity of the design, and I believe that has a lot to do with why it's still popular today. While I was designing this pair, I wanted to stay true to that simplicity. Also, Nike ID doesn't give you many options for the upper, but I'm still happy with the final results. So let's get into some details, starting with the colorway. The upper sand swoosh is all cool gray suede. The nap is very short on this suede, nap meaning those thin fibers you can feel standing up on suede. It's not buttery soft or rough, so I'd say the quality is okay. The swoosh, I opted for a black leather, which I would also put in that same okay range the suede is in. On the back, Nike embroidery in black on white leather, which is actually a little softer than the black leather on the swoosh, but that could also just be because it's backed by foam. The laces are black, they are not waxed, no metal lace tips, just old reliable flat black laces. A nice touch here, and something I didn't expect, the tongue has exposed foam just like the 70s original. More modern versions have it either stitched in or have piping go around the border, but this exposed foam really adds to that 70s aesthetic of the shoe. Not to mention the retro orange Nike logo on top. Taking a look inside, we have a synthetic leather lining, which I prefer over a fabric one since I believe it's a little bit more durable. But I want to note this wasn't an option for those who prefer a fabric lining. Inside, you can feel a little padding around the collar. And at the bottom, you'll find your standard black Nike ID insole. It is in fact an Ortholite insole, so you do have that step-in comfort, which you will definitely appreciate because these have absolutely no cushioning minus this insole. The only thing between your foot and the ground is this vulcanized rubber outsole, which was advanced technology at the time, making it both durable and giving the wearer extreme court feel. I love gum outsoles, but in this case, sort of like the upper, I would have liked some more options, not in colors, but I would have liked separate options for colors on the toe guard, midsole wrap, and outsole. The midsole and outsole is all done up in a medium brown gum color. Overall, I'm happy with how these came out, and would definitely look to design another pair once Nike updates the color options as well as the options to color. And that brings us to the end of this review. Thank you so much for watching. Please like the video to support what I'm doing. Subscribe to stay notified on what's coming next. Wear what you like, not just the hype. This has been a More Than Hype unboxing and review.